Hi, in front of me is REALME X2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Get Started, choose OK, and tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard. Choose Activate, click on Input Options, and choose LED keyboard one more time. Now you can pick the theme that you like the best, for example that one, and click on it. Close the NAT. And choose Download theme. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!